There's a ptarmigan out here following me. It's chasing me. What the heck? You're the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Come here, buddy. Hey. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here, you little ptarmigan. All right, we gotta check this little guy out. Hey. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it does it again. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Come here, come here, come here. Let me catch you. Come here. I think it's gonna hurt if it bites. I don't know. Come here, buddy. Bro, I caught it. Hang on 1 second. Chill out. I'll be right with you. Come here, bud. Come here, buddy. It keeps going in my hand, but then it flies out. Come here. It's like biting my sweater. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's gonna peck my eyes out! Oh my god! What the heck, man? Why are you so aggressive? Come here. Come here. I definitely feel like that would hurt if it was my skin, but I have a sweater. Come here, bud. Got you now. Gotcha. This is the weirdest thing ever. I have no idea why it's doing this, but we're gonna set you free. There you go, bud. Leave me alone, man. Just go back to your freaking hole or wherever you came from. Stop, man. I need to leave. Go, come on, go. Get out of here. No, go. Come on. Hey, stop. You can't come with me, man. You gotta scram. All right, I'm gonna see if it'll leave me, let me go. You stay right there. Don't move a freaking muscle. Yeah, that's what I thought. That thing is still following me. See if it can. It's literally still following me. That's it running up the road. Get out of here, man! Go away! What the heck? Go away! Stop running in front of my car! Just get out of here.